to convey our message, to convey our ideas among people. The communication may be in between two people, means two human beings, or it may be possible in between two devices. If there is any device used in communication like computer, this is called computer communication. Okay? We already stated that the communication is way of conveying our message, way of conveying our ideas, views among someone like people or like any device. If the computer is used called computer communication. The way of computer communication is in such a way that if we transmit signal from computer, that is data from computer, it is in form of digital signal that is being converted into analog signal, because we have no channel to transmit digital signal in our communication. In order to convert this digital signal into an analog signal, a modem is used. Modem is used which convert our digital signal into analog signal. That means modem is an electronic device which converts digital signal into analog signal. With the help of this electronic device, we convert our digital signal into analog form. And this analog signal is being transmitted from one device to another device with the help of most popularly used analog channel called telephone line. Telephone line is one of the most popular analog channel. That means analog signal is frequently being transmitted with the help of telephone line. Okay? Being transmitted from this section to this section, the analog signal is now reached to the next terminal, that is receiver signal. Receiver sent in terminal. Here again the transmitted signal is to be converted into digital form, because our device can accept only digital signal. Okay? No device is used in computer so that it can accept an analog signal. Okay? In this end, another same type of device, modem, is used so that the analog signal may be converted into digital signal, and again like the signal which was transmitted at the first terminal. Okay? These two electronic devices are collectively called as modulator and demodulator. These two devices are collectively called as modulator and demodulator, as they once convert a digital signal into analog, and again it converts analog signal into digital signal. So called modulator, that means which convert digital signal into analog signal, and demodulator, which means the electronic device which converts an analog signal into digital signal. Okay? So modulator and demodulator can be collectively called as modem. Okay? Any problem?
No.